This question asks us which of the following x and y values is a solution to the simultaneous equations 2x minus y equals 5, x plus 2y equals 30. So because both of these equations have two variables, they both have an infinite number of solutions, but we're looking for the one solution that satisfies both of the equations, that makes them both true. The first thing we always do when we have simultaneous equations is label them number 1 and number 2. Now, the reason we do this will become apparent a little bit later on, but it makes it much easier to communicate about our two equations. So to test if an x and y value are a solution, we substitute them into the equation. So if we consider A, our point is x is 3 and y is 1. You'll remember that this is coordinate notation. The first coordinate is our x coordinate, the second coordinate is our y coordinate. So we're substituting x equals 3 and y equals 1 into our equations. So if we substitute that into equation number 1, we have 2x, 2 times x is 3, minus y is 1. And we're checking to see if that equals 5. So we have 2 times 3 is 6, minus 1 is 5. 5 equals 5. What this means is our left-hand side and our right-hand side both equal to 5. So that means the point 31 is a solution to equation number 1. But we need to check if it's also a solution to equation number 2. So we'll pop number 2 here. We have x, which was 3, plus 2 times y, which is 1, equals 30. So let's check. 3 plus 2 times 1 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 equals 30. Clearly, that's not true. 5 is not equal to 30. So what that means is A, our point A, 3, 1, is not a solution to our second equation. It's a solution to the first one, but it's not a solution to the second one. So if we go back to our point visualization, it's something like this. Solution to the first one, but not to the second one as well. So A is not the solution to these simultaneous equations. Let's try point B. Our coordinate B has an x value of 8 and a y value of 11. This is our x and our y values. So first we substitute them into equation number 1. We have 2 times x, which is 8, minus y is 11. 2 times 8 minus 11. And we're checking to see if that equals 5. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 take away 11, that's 5. 5 equals 5. So that means our point 8, 11 is also a solution of our first equation. So we can tick that one. But we need to check to see if it's a solution of the second equation as well. The way we test that is once again by substituting in. So our x value is 8 plus 2 times the y value, y was 11, and we're checking to see if that is equal to 30. 2 times 11 is 22. 8 plus 22 gives us 30. So what this means is that our point 8, 11 is also a solution to our second equation. Now, because we have two equations and two unknowns, there's only one possible solution, and that solution is 8, 11. So our solution is x equals 8 and y equals 11. Because there's only one solution, C has to be incorrect, and B is our correct solution to these equations. B is our line that passes through both dots. It's the one coordinate that, or the one point, the one set of values that makes both of these two equations true. So the solution is, therefore, solution is the point 8, 11, or another way of writing that is x equals 8, y equals 11. That's our solution to these two equations.